Today we're going to be building a Lego portable toilet. In step 1, let's take these 2x4 plates and stack them on top of one another, and then we want to take the 2x4 tile and place that right on top. Grab this 6x6 blue plate, and we want to place the 2x4 stack right in this position here. In step 2, let's grab a 1x4 brick and two 1x1 bricks, and we're going to place a 1x1 brick on the top of each end of the 1x4 brick. Next, take two of the 1x2 plates and stack those right on top of one another. Then we want to take this 2x3 modified plate and place the 1x2 stack on the squared end of the 2x3 plate. Grab this 2x2 round plate and place it on the rounded end of the 2x3 plate. Now we want to place that in between the 1x1 bricks. Place a 1x4 brick on top of that. And then take this 1x1 side studded brick and attach this 1x1 white round brick. And place that on top of the left of the 1x4 brick. Then place the 1x3 blue brick in that open spot. And finally take the remaining 1x4 bricks and place those on top. In step 3, I'll build one of these, but you'll need two to complete the build. Let's take a 1x2x5 brick and place a 1x2 brick on top. Repeat that step. And then we'll repeat it again with a 1x2 grill pattern brick on top. Moving right along to step 4, place the 4x6 white plate in the middle of the 6x6 blue plate. We have 6 pieces of the 2x2 curved slope. Let's place 3 of them on each side like so. Next, take 2 of the 1x2 grill tiles and place those right in this position here. And then finish off the top with the remaining 2x2 tiles. In step 5, we're going to take the sticker sheet with the co-ed bathroom symbol. And here's a tip for you. Grab a brick separator if you have one handy. And we're going to use that to apply the sticker to the door. Now that we've done that, let's take the 1x1 round stud and place it on the door handle. Then place the door inside of the door frame. Let's begin taking our built pieces and putting those in place. Take this back wall and place it in position. Next, you should have built 2 sets of these side walls in step 3. Now let's assemble those in place with the center grill in the horizontal position. Put the door frame in place and leave the door open. Finally, take the roof and place your fingers inside of the door to help position the roof in place. There you have it, folks. Enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. See you next time.